Hey kids, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, let's learn how to draw alphabet. This is color box. So let's go. Color name, light blue color, yellow color, light green color, yellow color, brown color, white color, green color, red color, yellow color, blue color, red color. So let's go kids. Now I am drawing letter A. A is for apple. Now I am drawing letter B. B is for ball. Now I am drawing letter C. C is for cat. C is for cat. Now I am drawing letter D. D is for dog. D is for dog. Now I am drawing a letter E. E is for egg. E is for elephant. Now I am drawing letter F. F is for fish. F is for fish. Now I am drawing letter Z. Z is for God. Z is for God. Now I am drawing letter H. H is for hen. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H.